network issues there, your parents should give a message to us.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have some network issues.
Namasya. Tell
Yes,
your
ma'am.
parent to give a message to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So subtract positive 3 from negative 3. That was our question.
Yes, ma'am.
Subtract positive 3 from negative 3. So good evening to all. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so I'll explain that question. Subtract positive 3 from negative 3. So how will you write it?
Negative 3 minus 3. Positive 3. Negative 3 minus
Which
positive.
number will you write?
First, we will write negative 3.
First, we will write the negative number.
Okay. Negative 3. Negative 3 minus positive 3.
Positive 3.
And answer
Ma'am, the
negative
answer
3
Negative
plus
3 plus
negative 3. And our answer
and
is
the answer is negative 6.
Negative 6.
negative 6. Okay, children. I hope you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll move to the next type of question. Question is, it is a very important question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than, or equal to sign. Fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, and equal to sign. Okay. And listen to me now. All of you stop writing and listen to me. Stop writing, all of you, and listen to me. Negative 3. Don't write the question now. Listen to me. Negative 3 plus negative 6 dash. Negative 3 minus negative 6. Here, there is a fill in the blanks in this. That is this one, dash. You have to fill it with the less than, greater than, or equal to sign. Sometimes sometimes the number will be greater, sometimes may be equal to. But you will get the answer by doing this properly. Left side is there, right side is there. Can you see that? Can you see? Left side is a calculation. Left side you can see a calculation. Left side and right side, different calculation. We will get different answers. Okay. So we have to do it separately. Then only you will understand the answer. Okay, children?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I just came now.
It's okay. Start. Listen to the class. Okay, then. First of all, you write the left side. That is negative 3 plus negative 6. What is your answer? What is it? You can write LHS. LHS means left hand side. Left hand side. LHS means left hand
And the
side.
answer is negative 9.
Because it is addition. You will get the answer as negative 9. LHS means left side. Okay, children, LHS. And that side is right hand side, RHS. Right side, this side. Okay, right side is negative 3 minus negative 6. How will you do the answer of this?
Ma'am,
Subtraction.
Negative 3 bring down.
Negative 3
negative 3 is
Bring down.
negative 3.
Subtract minus into plus.
plus. Bring down it as positive 6. And our answer is
Ma'am, the answer is positive 3.
Answer is positive 3. Now,
3.
now look at the question. Left side when you did, when we did the answer, we got as negative 9. Okay, left side we got the answer as negative 9 and right side it is positive 3. So we will rewrite it again, negative 9, answer, negative, 1 minute. One minute, children. The slide went up. So left negative 9. Negative 9 answer is negative 9 and right side when you got positive 3. Now you look at here, which is smaller, which sign you should give there? This is greater, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So after doing only you will understand. Clear? Did you understand it now? Both sides you have to do and find out the answer. Then only you can substitute here as the answer. It is negative, less than negative 9, less than this, like this.
Okay.
Okay. So without doing, you cannot tell the answer. You cannot identify.
Ma'am, so can we start writing?
Again, we start writing.
Yeah, right.
Ma'am, can you show the heading?
This is a heading. Yeah, you want to see the question? This.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we came late to the class.
And this is the first question.
I finished.
I'm finished.
And I'll give one more question and 2 questions I'll give as homework. Okay, shall I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. And next question is, next question, negative 21 minus negative 10. Negative 21 minus negative 10. And fill in the blanks. And negative 31 plus negative 11. Okay, without doing, you cannot do it. So you should take LHS, RHS separately. LHS. Find the answer. LHS, did you understand what is LHS? Left hand side. Left hand side. Left side. Left side. RHS is right side.
Ma'am, excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, less negative number, more like just like a more.
Subtraction, when you write, you don't take that negative, don't think like that, don't take the value, only the magnitude, only the number.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't think about the value.
No, ma'am, I heard out that its negative number has more value, or positive number has more value.
That I told no. You have to take, for subtraction, you are thinking about like that. Take the bigger number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same word meaning. Take the bigger number, only that, big number. Don't look at the negative and positive.
Okay, ma'am.
Take the bigger number, only that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, negative 21. Leave the number like that. Here it is plus. Then children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Then
yeah.
at number 10.
Ananya Vijesh, now look at here. Don't take that negative sign. Don't look at that negative sign. Think about these two numbers, which is bigger. Okay. So answer is negative 11. And we'll do the RHS now. RHS. RHS means right hand side. Negative 31 plus negative 11. Both negatives. So is it negative 42, children? Is it negative 42?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So you will get to the answer like this. Negative 11 and negative 42. This negative 11 is bigger, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here you have to look at the value. Clear? Here you are comparing. So you have to look at the value. Negative 11 is greater. That means you got negative 11 this side, no? This side.
The left side.
So that is our answer. Shall I give 2 more questions for your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
I already showed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, I'm going to erase it. And 2 homeworks for you. 1 minute. Okay, 2 homeworks. This is a third question. Third question. It is 45 minus 11. Fill in the blanks. 57 plus negative 4.
Ma'am,
And
is
fourth
this
question.
homework?
Homework. Fourth question. Negative 25 minus 42 negative 42 minus negative 25. This is the homework for you. Two homeworks. Okay, children. Shall I erase now? Yes.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Okay, children. Shall I erase now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question. Negative 8 plus dash equal to 0. Can you tell the answer?
Positive.
Very good, very good. Answer is positive 8. Positive 8. And the second one, 13 plus dash equal to 0.
Negative 13.
Okay. Negative 13. We have done so many questions like this.
Yes.
This is our text questions. So 12 plus negative 12 equal to dash.
0.
0. And fourth question. Negative 4 plus dash equal to negative 12. Look at the think and tell the answer. Okay, negative
4 plus negative 6.
Is it 12?
Negative 4 plus
Negative 7.
Negative 4 plus negative 8.
Somebody is telling negative 7, somebody is telling negative 8. Which is the correct answer?
Negative
8.
Negative 8. Emily Jo, I think is telling the correct answer. Emil told the answer. Emily is telling the answer.
I didn't tell.
Somebody's sound is
Aaron told it.
Aaron. Okay, and 4 plus what is 12, children? 4 plus what is 12? 8. And here only the problem is with our negative. And you know that when two negative numbers, when you add, you will get the answer negative. Correct?
Ma'am. Yes.
So no need of any doubts. Then dash minus 15 equal to negative 10. Children, morning I told about this.
And negative 5.
Negative 5.
No.
Negative 5.
No. Not negative. Morning I told about this. See, children, 15 minus 5. What is the answer? 15 minus 5?
10, ma'am.
Huh?
10.
10. Then how will you get negative 10 there?
Ma'am.
5 minus 15 is negative 10, right? Clear, children? Morning I told about this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when a small number comes as the first number, when you subtract it, you will get negative 10. Clear? So think about this. If 50 minus 5 is positive 10, so how will you get negative 10? Take the reverse. 5 minus 15. 5 minus 15 is negative 10. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we will move to the next type of question and our chapter will finish now. After that, we'll start fractions. You know fractions?
Yes, ma'am. We have learned it.
Yes, ma'am.
Fraction 2. Yes, ma'am.
It is very interesting, very easy. Very easy. Fractions. Okay. Shall I raise now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to erase. Now we'll move to the next important one. Important type of question. Here, if one all negatives, positives, subtraction, addition, all mixed up, not only one number, if there is lot of numbers, all mixed up, how to find the answer? Okay. For example, I'll give one first question like this. Find the answer, or find the question is find, only simply find. Find. No need of writing. Listen here, children. No need of writing. First one. 10 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Will you tell the answer?
22. 22.
How did you get?
The normal addition.
Normal addition, 22. Positive, all positive numbers. But if the question comes like this, negative 10 plus negative 5 plus negative 3 plus negative 4.
Ma'am, negative.
Negative 22.
Negative 22 because all the numbers are negative. All the numbers are negative. Clear, children?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when you
ma'am.
add, like when you add all and give the negative sign. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give one more question. Negative 50 plus negative 100 plus negative 30. All minus.
Yes, ma'am. 170.
Negative 180.
180. You got the idea? Did you get the idea how to find?
Negative 1. Yes, ma'am.
So you add all and give the negative sign. Okay, children. But some cases it will come like this. Negative 10 plus 12 plus negative 3. How will you do this?
Ma'am, negative 10 and negative 3 we will add.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Very good. I will explain. See, children, if this addition, negative sign and a positive sign mixed up together, all negative means you have to add and give the negatives. Children, look at here.
of that question
Listen. Let me explain. If all positive, you are adding and giving us positive sign. Like that, all negative, you add all numbers and give the negative sign. Like this, these three questions. No need of any confusion. But if the question comes like this, what you have to do is take the negative numbers together. All addition, no? So all addition, this is plus, this is also plus. That means these three numbers we are adding together. Okay, these three numbers we are adding together. So what you have to do is, your second step, you have to take this, arrange it together like this. Negative numbers arrange together. And positive number, one positive is separate. It has no friends. No friends. It is separate. Two negative numbers we are add. Means how will you add two negative numbers?
13.
Which 13?
Negative sign.
Negative 13 because take together, arrange together. Okay, all negative numbers you arrange together. So negative 10 and negative 3, when you add, you will get negative 13. And last you have to add positive 12.
Ma'am, the answer is negative 1.
Negative
1.
So this is a most important thing. When you get positive numbers and negative numbers mixed up, you have to arrange it in some order. Mix up together. If they are mixed up together, we have to arrange it. Rearrange it.
Okay.
And all negatives, all positives. Add all negatives and add positives. And after that, you have to do this. Did you write it?
No.
Write it. I'll give the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, over.
Ma'am, finish.
Hmm.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Shall I raise the board and give you one question like this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, then. Don't forget, don't make a mistake in this. Fifth question. -5 plus 3 plus 7 plus -16. I'll keep that negative numbers in brackets, so you can identify it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
1 plus -11.
All negatives together, all positives together. Okay.
Ma'am, I got
Rearrange
the
it. Yes. Wait, Devika, let the others do.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes. Wait. We'll discuss the answer later.
Ma'am, I finish.
So how did you arrange, children? How did you arrange it?
Ma'am, first
All
add
negative.
the negative numbers,
Numbers.
then add the positive
Five
numbers.
plus
Okay. First you write like this. All -5 plus -16 together. And these two negative positive numbers together. And we will add the negatives first. And when you
ma'am.
add, you will get -21, right?
21. Yes, ma'am.
21. Yes.
Plus this 3 plus 7, when you add, you will get 10.
Ma'am,
Again, now only it became reduced
ma'am,
into
now
two
we will
numbers.
have to subtract.
Subtract and give the sign of the bigger one. So,
-11.
-11. So you became expert in this. And next question, -7 plus -8 plus -90 plus +1. Okay, for a variety.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I got that.
Yes. Namasya, Smriti, Geetika, Malavika, Vrisa, Harriet, Devaganga, Nihal. Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Yes. Okay, children. Now, will you tell how to do it?
First, we will have to
Take together. Here, no need of taking together because I already arranged it.
arrange.
Already arranged. Then -7, -8,
Right,
-90.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. -7 and -8. When we add, we
Negative
get
15.
-15 plus
Negative 15 plus negative
90,
90.
-105.
Negative 105.
5
plus 1
Plus
plus
1.
1 is equal to -104.
Somebody told 106. I heard 104. No, what is the answer, children?
Negative
100.
Because one is negative and only one positive came here. One. Purposely I have given this because you should know how to do it. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'll give one more question as a homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Two, 3 questions I'll give.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Homework. First one. -1 plus -1 plus -1 plus +6. Okay. So next one, -20 plus 40 plus -6 plus -15 plus 30. Third one, 56 plus -14 plus -3 plus 64. Fourth question, 50 plus -40 plus 2 plus 10 plus -3. And tomorrow when you come, the remaining students will you bring the activity? Some are there to show me. Somebody send me through the WhatsApp, but will you bring it tomorrow?
Ma'am, I sent you through the WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, will you bring it tomorrow then?
Ma'am, those who
Yes,
show,
ma'am.
they should bring.
Those who showed, no need.
Okay.
Okay. Also, this is the homework for you. Okay, children. Did you write the homework, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, can I show the activity now?
No need. Now it is time. Wind up. It is time to wind up. Okay, children. Okay. Shish. Yes.
Ma'am, this chapter is finished.
Yes, children. Yes, Ananya.
Finished, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am, this chapter
Ma'am.
over.
Chapter over.
Ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Who is telling thank you this much early?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
For you.
Ma'am, you told him.
Thank you for showing the
Show in the slide. Okay. So shall I wind up now? We will start tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will do the fractions. Okay.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
homework. Okay, Nihal. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.